Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about our exercise 10.2. Question number 1. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. The distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is. Then we can find the value where options are given. Then we can choose the right option. Option A 7 centimeter, 12 centimeter, B 12 centimeter, C 15 centimeter, and D 24.5 centimeter. Now we can solve the question. First we see that this is our circle. This is the center of the circle which is represented by O. O to draw a line 25 centimeter which is given in the question, and from Q to T 24 centimeter. Then we join the radius OT. Then we find the value of the radius OT. So we don't know what is the value of OT, then we can imagine the OT. Justification: let OT be x centimeter. We can assume it x centimeter. Then we know that by right triangle QTO, QT and O, where QO square is equals to QT square plus OT square. By Pythagoras theorem, we can solve it. QO is given 25 centimeter, QT is also given 24 centimeter. Then we can find the value of x square. X square is equal to, when we rearrange it and we can solve, then we found the value of x is equals to 7 centimeter. Then it's option A. Then our answer is option A, 7 centimeter. Now question number 2. In this figure, this is given in the question: if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ is equals to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equals to. Their options are given: A is equals to 60 degree, B is equals to 70 degree, C option 80 degree, D option is 90 degree. Then we have given, look at in the figure, this is a circle, this is a center, then there are two tangents given whose one angle is 110 degree, which is POQ. Okay, then OPT is our right angle triangle, so its value will be 90 degree, as it is our OQT is also right angle triangle, then its value is also 90 degree. Then we find that TPOQ is a quadrilateral. TPOQ, now what will become? It will become a quadrilateral. Then triangle PTQ plus POQ, when we add these two angles, then they are equals to the 180 degree. Then where POQ is given, then we put the value 110 degree like this, and when we can solve it, it goes to right side, then its value will be negative. Then we can find the value of PTQ is equals to 70 degree. That's our B option, 70 degree. Okay, now come on the question number 3. If tangents PA and PP from a point P to a circle with center O are included to each other at angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equals to. Now we can find the values. Option A 50 degree, B 60 degree, C 70 degree, D 80 degree. Now justification, we see that in the figure there is a circle center O from which this tangent lines, when we join with O, then OA and OB, this our OBP is 90 degree and OAB is also our, where angle A is 90 degree, angle B is equals to 90 degree, and both the angles are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree. Then when we join it, then it will be 80 degree. Okay, in triangle POA and POP, POA and POP both are equal because each angle's value will be 90 degree. OA is equals to OB, OA is equals to OB because both these are the radius of the circle. PA is equals to PB, PA is equals to PB because both are the tangents which are equal. Therefore, triangle POA is congruent to POB by SAS theorem. Now, angle APO is equals to angle BPO. We know that by CPCT. Okay, then angle APO is equals to half of angle ABP, where ABP APP is our 80 degree. Then we put the value, then by cut we get the value of angle APO will be 40 degree. Now in triangle PAO, angle APO plus angle POA plus angle OAP is equals to 180 degree, where we find the values. ABO will be 40 degree and angle POB, which we don't know, angle OAP is equals to 90 degree, and these are equals to 180 degree. Then now this we can solve the equation and find the value. Angle POA is equals to 50 degree. Then it's our option is A, 50 degree. Now question number 4. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of a diameter of a circle are parallel. This is our circle. These tangents are drawn and this is our diameter. Okay, these lines are parallel to our diameter. Then what is given? AB is the diameter of the circle, where PQ, P and Q, this both lines are tangents. OA is perpendicular on P line and OB is perpendicular on Q line. That's why angle 1 is equals to angle 2 is equals to 90 degree, like this. Angle B and angle A both are 90 degree. Therefore, P is parallel to Q because angle 1 and angle 2 are the alternative angles. Thank you.